Secure your bike. Made of CNC Aluminum Proven. These motorcycle anti-theft locks are sturdy and tamper-proof, making it difficult for thieves to steal your vehicle. Versatile handlebar lock. These anti-theft grip lock can easily fit on motorcycles, sports bikes, scooters, mopeds ATVs, such as Yamaha, Kawasaki, BMW, Ducati, Suzuki, Triumph. Its twist grip ranges in size from 27 to 38 mm. Adjustable slider. This motorbike brake lock allows you to precisely modify the pressure on the brake lever to ensure that there isn't too much force going through the brake whilst left for prolonged periods of time. Easily portable. At a weight of 13.7 ounces and compact dimensions, 5.4 inches by 2.24 inches, the grip lock will fit in your jacket pocket, under the seat compartment. Durable rubber grip. These motorcycle locks are durable and long-lasting. The rubber used in the locks have strong grip without giving scratches on the brake lever. Top reviews from the United States. It's basic. An angle grinder may get through it, but it'll buy you time to respond. Decent peace of mind. Maybe pair it with a disc lock, but as is, it works and it's beefy.